Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see palindrome number program. So first of all, what is palindrome number? So palindrome number is a number when we see from left to right and when we see from right to left, then both the numbers are same. Or simply I can say that the original number and the reverse number, if we reverse this number, then original number and reverse number both are same. Original number is 1 to 1. If we see in reverse, then also it is 1 to 1. So how to solve this type of questions? So first of all, what I will do is I will take the number in variable n from user, and this is the statement. You all know that this is the statement from which we can take input of the number from user. Now I already taught you that how can we reverse a number. So we will apply that same logic, that while n is greater than 0, we will keep on repeating some set of statements and try to find the reverse of the number. So we can say d equals to n modulus 10. N modulus 10 will give us the last digit of the number, and then I will keep on removing the last digit from the number, and I will keep on repeating and form reverse number by this statement. I have already explained this statement, why we need to use this statement. If you haven't watched my video on how to do a reverse number, then please do watch that video. In that video I have explained all these three statements, that how can you reverse any number. Now if we see here, then the value of n after this loop is executed, the value of n will become 0. When value of n is becoming 0, then only this loop will terminate and it will give us the value of reverse number. So now if we want to compare the reverse number with the value of n, then it won't be possible. We have to next write a statement of condition, like if our reverse number is equal to original number, then we have to write that this is a palindrome number. And if this is not equal, then it is not a palindrome number. But we cannot use this statement because here the value of n has become 0 and this will never be equal to the value of reverse number. So in order to save the value of n, we will use another variable num, where we will give the value of n to a dummy variable which will carry the value of original number that is entered by the user. So now what we will do here, we will not take value of n, we will take value of num, and we will simply compare that is the reverse number equal to num. If this condition is true, then we will simply print this statement that this number is a palindrome number, and if this condition is not true, then we will print that it is not a palindrome number. So now let's try to see this program in BlueJ, where I will take input of various numbers and we will try to see that how it is working. So this is the program that I have created, in which I have imported the scanner class, created a class of palindrome number, declared these variables, and this is the method where I will do the process of calculating palindrome number. So I have taken the input from the user, I have kept the value of REV as 0, and I have initiated one statement wherein I am giving the value of n to another dummy variable, so that it is helpful for us to check whether the original number is equal to the reverse number or not. And these are the same set of statements that I have written in order to find the reverse of a number. So REV will give us the value of reverse of a number, and then I will compare that whether the original number is equal to reverse number or not. If it is equal, then we will print that it is a palindrome number, and if it is not equal, then we will print it is not a palindrome number. So now let's see the output of the program. Let's try to take some other example. 2 4 5 7 5 4 2. Now we can see here that this is a palindrome number. If we see from left to right and if we see from right to left, both the numbers are same. So this will give us that it is a palindrome number. Now let's take one more example where we will try to input a number which is not actually a palindrome number, like 7 8 1 6 5. This is not a palindrome number because if we see from left to right and then from right to left, then both the numbers will not be same. So this will give us that this is not a palindrome number. So palindrome number is a simple program where we will see that reverse of a number is equal to the original number. Palindrome string questions might also come, but string part I will cover later on. For now, we will be seeing only the palindrome numbers, and this is the explanation of how to get palindrome number, whether the number entered by user is palindrome or not. So this was the program. Now, if you have any query related to any program, related to this program or anything, then you can send the questions on my mail ID. The mail ID will be displayed here. Also, the mail ID is given in my description box. If you have any query related to this program, then you can also ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer your queries.